Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we're diving into an interesting question. Have you ever wondered what happens if a required field is sent as null in a post request? Let's take a simple example. Imagine you're testing a user registration API and the email field is marked as required. Now, if you send a request like email as null, the outcome depends entirely on how the backend is coded and what kind of validations are in place. In most well-designed APIs, the server should return a 400 bad request error, clearly stating that the email field is required and cannot be null. Some APIs might go a bit deeper and return a 422 unprocessable entity, which means the server understands the request but cannot process it because the value doesn't meet validation rules. However, and here's where things get risky, if server-side validations are weak or missing, the API might actually accept the null value and store it, which can lead to data inconsistencies or even application crashes later. As QA professionals, it's critical that we don't just look at happy path scenarios. When you test APIs, always validate how the application behaves with null values, especially in required fields. More importantly, test both scenarios. One where the required field is explicitly passed as null and another where it's completely missing from the request. These two cases may be treated differently by the backend, and good testing means covering both. You should also check if the error messages returned are helpful, accurate, and aligned with the API documentation. So the next time you're validating a post request, remember, sending a null value in a required field is more than just a negative test case. It's a validation of how solid your backend really is. Every null you test for is a potential bug you can prevent. And that's what makes you a great QA engineer. Keep testing smart, stay curious, and always validate both data and behavior. Want more real-world QA tips like this? Hit follow and stay tuned.